Hi, this is Rachel Kayla, your fun and friendly Columbus, Ohio realtor, coming to you from Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Professional Realty. And I am here to share with you today some simple tips to help beautify your home. And the first tip is add some color, especially in the winter months. You need a little bit of color. So there's a few ways you can do that. You can do it by paint, using a bright, bold color on an accent wall in a room. You can also use wallpaper, again, using a bright, bold color with an interesting pattern on an accent wall to help brighten up a room and change things around. And you can also do it with your accessories in the room, with your decorations. Choose one color to focus on and have some pops of color using your accessories, pillows, picture statues, those items to help carry that color through. So that's one way. The second way to do it is using mirrors. Mirrors help brighten up a room. They add light because they'll reflect from windows and other light sources, and they'll also make a room look bigger. One of the best places to put a mirror in a room is directly across from a window. It really makes the room feel larger and brighter. Mirrors also help a room feel more luxurious and lush. So add some mirrors. It's an inexpensive and easy way to help change the look of a room in a matter of minutes. The third thing you can do is play with your accessories. Find some accessories at a resale shop or an antique store that are unique and different, and use those to switch up the look of your room. Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, even Target, they're all great places to find wonderful new accessories to help change the look of your room. And a fourth thing, the fourth item, is to add some green to your room. And by green, it could be the color, but really I'm talking about adding plant life to the room. So real or fake plants, because those fake ones look just as real as the actual thing anymore, will help brighten up a room. They'll help bring it alive. And they can really look great. Succulents, if you're afraid of killing a plant, succulents are one of your best options. They come in a plethora of shapes, sizes, and colors, and they can really help change the feel and look of a room in your home and help change things up for you. Another thing you can do is definitely embrace the light. Open the windows, take down any heavy draperies. If you really want to keep something up on the windows, try sheers or something lacy or very light and that still lets the light in. Try valances to help decorate so it's not completely naked, but open up those windows and let the light come in. You can also add texture. This is my sixth tip for you. So add some texture to the room. Maybe it's with some furry pillows or blankets, some fake fur, or it could be with a pattern on the pillows or on rugs. It could be a thick rug, but add some texture to a room, and that's going to add visual and tactile interest. So it'll keep your eye moving and it'll keep you excited and make the room look like a whole new place. The last thing, and something you hear me say quite often, is simply to declutter. Get rid of the clutter, move it out. If it's something you haven't used in years or you don't like, clear it out, get rid of it. The best thing is you can sell that stuff with all these new groups like buy, sell, trade groups and groups on Nextdoor. Sell the items and use that money to purchase some of the other things I mentioned above. So those are 7 quick and easy tips, lucky number 7, to help you change the look of a room without spending a lot of money or a lot of time and help freshen it up. I hope you found them useful. If you have a tip of your own you'd like to share with us, please do so. You can do that right down below in the comments, or feel free to email me. If you have any questions or suggestions for future posts, I would love to hear them. You can email me. My email address is coming on the bottom of the screen, Rachel, R-A-C-H-E-L, @rachelkayla.com. And until next time, have a great week. Bye.